Welcome to Tactical Stuff Reviews, and today we'll be reviewing or unboxing and we'll have a first impression on the Asiaon tactical shoes, which I had ordered from Shopee and delivered to me by Ninja Van. So it arrived yesterday, and today we'll be unboxing it. As you can see, it has some bubble wrap, and okay, we'll be unboxing it. So it is. By the way, I will be using the TAC Force TF987. Here it is, TAC Force TF987. I will be very careful not to cut the box. Okay, here it is. So here it is. Excuse me. So here it is, Asiaon tactical gear. Here is the box, right there, as you can see. So standard cardboard box, and there it is. So here it is. So as you can see, there is I think this is a micro cloth. So it is the shoes. So what are the other items inside the box? So just this cloth and this. Do not eat this. Okay, so it is. Let's get the box out of the way, and here it is. The Asiaon tactical shoes, right here. So as you can see, there is like a booklet or a brochure. Heroes Wear Asiaon Black Eagle series. Inner sole of the shoes, some sort of keychain, a rubberized version of the shoe, a miniature, and this leather tag which says Asiaon. Yes, let's cut this. Okay, here it is. Here is the tag, leather tag, and this looks like a keychain, a rubberized keychain with army green and orange colors, also black. Here it is. So this is from the Eagle series, Black Eagle series of Asiaon tactical shoes from Asiaon tactical gear. That's where it is. As you can see, there are the cordura fabric on the shoe itself. Very sturdy. Right here, and also, oh sorry, and I just knocked the camera out, and here it is. So these are the toes. For the toes, it is rubber, So this part right here, here, are all leather. Also here, made from real leather. And this part right here are the Cordura fabric, which is a fabric which is weaved, very sturdy and very strong, very durable, as well as the sole. Here it is. It's very sturdy also. There is Asiaon right there. It says that it had Omni grip, so it is slip proof even in wet areas. So also the strings are very sturdy, very strong. So I think that's it for the first impression on the shoes, and I will be using it, and I will be making another video for the full review of this shoe after I used it for, let's just say, a month, and I will get back to you. So I think that's all. What are the things that I miss? Also, okay, there is the Cordura brand. That is the Cordura brand, which made the Cordura fabric, or this sections right here of the tactical shoes. So one issue is, as you can see, I think that is the adhesive used to used for the shoes right there. It's not very clean, but that's fine. Maybe after some time of using it, it will just, disappear. So as you can see, there is there are other color options for this shoe, and it is black, and this one is the army green variant. But there are also black and tan, which also looked cool. Right here, this is a glossy rubber, while this one right here is matte finish. Okay, I think the shoe is great. So as I've said, I will be getting back to you, making another video for the full review after I've used it for a month. Okay, I think that's all for Tactical Stuff Reviews.